What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about function 1 over x squared, and that's part of reciprocal of a quadratic function. We need to write the equation for horizontal asymptote, we need to write the equation for vertical asymptote, graph it, find an intercepts, domain and range, and also find the end behaviors. So let's look at the graph of 1 over x squared. The graph is going to be something like this and something like this. So it's going up from these sides and going towards 0 in these sides. So we start with horizontal asymptote. As you see here, when x approaches positive infinity or negative infinity, y approaches 0. So horizontal asymptote is x or y equals to 0, and vertical asymptote, as it is clear from this graph, is x equals to 0, which is the y-axis. We could also say it from the function, because the denominator is x squared equals to 0, so x equals to 0 is going to be the vertical asymptote. Now let's find out the x-intercept. As you see from the graph, these curves, they don't cross x-axis and they don't cross y-axis, so it means that there is no x-intercept and there is no y-intercept. I'm going to say no x-intercept and no y-intercept. What about the domain and range? The domain and range, domain is going to be from negative infinity all the way to something slightly before 0 and slightly after 0 to positive infinity. So it's going to be everywhere except 0. So domain is xer, x cannot be 0. Range is yer, y cannot be 0. What about end behaviors? End behavior, I'm going to write it here. As x approaches positive infinity, y approaches 0. And as x approaches negative infinity, y approaches 0. When x approaches 0 from the positive side, y approaches positive infinity. When x approaches 0 from negative side, y approaches positive infinity. So these are the behavior of this function as well. So basically these are the characteristics of this function 1 over x squared. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.